are doing we are doing the Mexican
2 stores
and got Mexican candy.
and got some Mexican candy so we could taste it out. And first, want to see it all? Wait, damn it! I messed up. Fail.
Oh God, there's money
all over the place. Our money's in the bag too. Right. First, we're gonna start off
with 2 Lucases
and 2 of these.
There's 2 Lucases
and some more candy. That we have a lot of candy there that we're gonna taste. Alright.
I got these too.
Oh yeah, and we got some of these. You too.
Some of these.
Jackie, don't show all of it. Just put it back. We could eat it.
Okay.
Right. First, we're gonna start off with the
flowers.
With the De La Rosa dulce de cacahuate estilo mazapan.
I don't know.
Peanut candy
Where's
marzipan style. Here's yours. Right, we're gonna taste it.
De La Rosa.
Lucky, open it. We can taste it.
Hey, stop! I can see it in the camera.
Get back a little.
Alright, so these are the ones.
These are the ones that were.
You like it?
It's pretty good.
I'm still opening it.
It's pretty good. Huh? Oh my, you didn't buy it yet?
Oh, good.
It has like peanuts. Peanuts with like touching palm sugar.
There's no walnuts in this, right?
Peanuts.
I'm good because I'm allergic to walnuts.
Half of it. That was pretty good.
I'm full eating.
Next candy is the Boo-Boo-Loo.
Boo-Boo-Loo. Boo-Boo-Loo.
Oh, come on. You're gonna break it in half?
Hey, pick that up.
We're after the video.
There's like
sorry,
jelly in it.
There's like jelly and
some white stuff. I don't know what that white stuff is.
Some cream.
And then it has like some chocolate.
I have some chocolate like
jelly
on top of it to cover it.
It's very good. So let's try it.
Let's try it.
This is good. I almost like the jelly.
You know what, Jeffy? It's pretty boss. So, all of it.
And these are the next ones we're gonna try.
The Carlos V.
I don't know that word.
We're gonna finish it.
Oh, good.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna do this with the peanut. First, it's a milk chocolate style bar. So it's like just a chocolate bar.
You have to wait because I'm
gonna show you.
eating it.
Really? Still eating the Boo-Boo para mí. But you can see it says para mí, and the part right here says para ti. It's like a chocolate bar, but just smaller and not fat.
I hate the fat ones.
They're pretty good.
I hate the ones that are only chocolate and they're fat. That's a lot of chocolate.
These are bomb.
Oh, these have like little things right here.
Mine's different.
Yours is different.
Actually, just take a big bite and put it out.
That's good. Delicious. Oh yeah.
Man, you want to finish it?
Yeah. Later.
I'm smart.
Next one
is the. Can I read this one, Jackie? The Lucas Panson. It's like a juice in the bottom right here. If you guys can see it, shaky.
Yeah, that's right.
And it has like a popsicle right there on top.
Because
you can't really see it.
I'm trying to open these best because I never ate in these.
I don't mean either. Yeah, he opens good.
Where does it open?
From the side, you have to rip it, I think. That's what I did.
I don't know where.
Oh, how do you take it out? Ah!
Oh, you broke it, I think. Does the juice come out?
I don't know.
I never.
Is it supposed to come out?
I don't know. This thing is hard to open. I don't even know how to start.
Jackie, so where's the nail for your thing? Okay, now it's sitting on it. On the nail right here. Sitting.
Oh, did that hurt?
No.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to make a hole so juice can come out.
I don't know how to open.
Juice looks pretty good.
Wow.
Oh damn! I think I just made
Hi,
the
guys.
thing crooked.
Pretty good. I don't think.
Jackie, is your juice coming out?
Dude, I don't know how the juice comes out.
No, huh?
I think you have to open it from this.
I think you have to bite it all the way.
You do it first. I'm just looking.
Yeah, you do. That's some good juice. It's like sauce. It's like hot sauce. Want to taste it? You could just bite it.
Hot. Wow.
Bite it right here. There, that's enough.
I'm stuck in my. I want to like.
It's like a top of salsa. Can you guys see that? It's about a drip. It's like a type of salsa.
I have not drank this.
That's how it looks.
It gets stuck in my teeth.
Yucky, if you want to stop it, it's called just shut it down like this. So juice won't come out.
How do I get juice out?
Is it up? It has to be up.
Oh, thank you.
Wait.
There. Thank you. This is good.
Can I taste it? No, huh? It's like chamoy, huh? Here, try to make a
The
little.
chamoy that you buy in the store. Oh, it's hard.
It's
Hard
hard
to
for
get
you?
it out.
I know,
Hard to get it
huh?
out.
Let me see it. And I know why it's hard to get out. You know why? Because there's a bit of the chalk. I mean, of the. That's why. Because of this part, there's a little bit of it. And like if you put it in, you start going around. Just so you guys know, I'm using this thing that just broke a little bit. I'm using this thing.
I think I'm sick.
Why? The chamoy?
No.
Try it out now. Huh.
God, I just went like
It's like, oh shit.
a lot of.
Oh, can you guys see that mark? Oh no, I bet you guys can. Look at that. It fell. It fell. Is it dripping right here? No. Epic fell. Right.
I just barely put it in, and I'm like, oh, a lot of it went inside my mouth.
Now close it. Put it down the.
I can't.
It. And now, the grand finale. We're gonna, what's it called? Finish these together, alright? I'm gonna finish these. And these. If you want to, right? Do you want to?
Yeah, I never tasted them before.
But they're pretty good,
They're
huh?
really good. I'm gonna keep on buying these.
Oh.
Candies, they're good.
Just peanut one's pretty good.
I've never tasted these.
I'm
probably buy these all the time. I go to the store.
me sometimes feels boring. Happens.
I like it, mine's a little bit less than yours. I'm done.
I'm not.
You wanna go in the pool later?
Yeah.
Dirty.
I have time to finish the What?
Okay, let's give the scores. I give this one like
Me?
I give this one
Me?
a 5, a 10 out of 5.
10 for me. 10. 10. And this one?
Okay, this is definitely 10. This is like probably a 3.
No.
For me, it's a 3. It's not that bad.
Cause for me, it was like a 4 or a 5.
I give the taste a delicious. A roast delicious.
Yeah, but look.
I give this a look delicious. And this one a chocolate grossy. Whatever.
No.
I don't really like this one.
Why not?
It's not good.
Mhm.
Oh, and the Boobaloo, I give it a 11. Can I even do that?
No, because it only goes from 10 and 20.
Okay. Then I could do 11. I give it
Yeah,
11.
boss. You?
The Boobaloo, I give it an 11.
Oh yeah.
And a delicious. A delicious.
Fun. Buy these, they're freaking good. These are freaking good. Now it's time to drink some juice of this.
I don't know what stuff got it out in there.
Put that up, remember?
Oh.
Dude, guys, these are boss. Wait, guys, I'll be back. Don't turn off the.
No, we have to hide these candies from our little brothers.
Oh,
We're back,
we're
guys.
back, and we brought some Powerade for both of us because the candy was like kind of gross a little.
Our candy's gone.
Wait here, I'll be back. Mine's the one that has the ripper. You didn't finish it?
No. I did not finish this or this. Guys, I love it.
Can I have the chocolate?
Half of it.
Thanks, sis. Dude, she's like the best sis in the world. She's like the best sis.
Look what I got. I don't like it that much.
Dad, buy these. It's fucking good. Oh, I'm sorry. Hopefully, crashing the way from us.
We were recording in my room today. We did not record in other places because my brother
Because they were tucking.
no, because our sister and brother, our baby brothers and sister would want to eat our candy.
Wait, is the door closer? Seguro?
Yeah.
Oh. Because there's too much more in this.
That's true.
I'm gonna drink some fruit punch, Powerade. Want some, sis?
Mm-hmm. Do you people hearing it when it does that?
Ducky, you didn't close one. Look, it's in the middle. Wait, didn't close one. There. Oh, guys,
Yeah.
that was a good meal for right now. I guess we're gonna have to maybe like finish these with you guys. Yeah, you want to finish it with them?
Yes.
Cause they can't like really eat it with us because they're out watching YouTube.
Okay, guys. Open this right now. Sorry. Thank you. Give me my tap. It's in your mouth.
Just don't forget to put that up.
Okay, yes.
These are freaking good.
Want some? I'm just kidding. It's mine.
Want some?
It's mine.
I know you like it.
Mine. It's mine. Continue.